Vestre is 75 years old this year, actually. It started on the Norwegian west coast as a small family-owned business. The company grew for maybe 30 years. It grew a lot, and then it diversified into a lot of different spaces. One branch of the company was restarted in Oslo in 1988, and from the beginning there, it was a focus on quality and design as the main drivers. Since then, we have added the third leg, which is sustainability. But we view sustainability as a derivative of quality. We believe that combating the use and throw with high quality goods is sort of the key to unlock a sustainable future. We had about 40% and we insourced about 50 more, so now we have over 90% of the value chain once we are fully operational here. When we decided to do that, it was with a clear goal of both increasing the control for sustainability purposes, but also for increasing the efficiency purposes. Some of the key processes that we saw would be beneficiary to insource was the powder coating, the woodworking, which was also completely outsourced, and then we could streamline the process by having the assembly here as well. The reasoning behind that was to both effectivize it and also to increase the potential for sustainability, and that's obviously why we are here in a almost museum grade building, but it's still a highly efficient production facility. Both the powder coating facility here, the woodworking facility is basically something that you can operate with very little manual labor with advanced Industry 4.0 technology. So the ERP system is it's obviously paramount to utilize it as it is meant to be used. I think we have realized over the past years, because we have gone from a pretty small business and having like a patchwork of different systems to transitioning to a more holistic and a more connected system. There's a big difference between just having an ERP system and actually learning it and understanding in what ways it can effectivize the processes that you have. So I think we're in the midst of that, and we are we switched over the last company in the group to G5 just a few weeks ago. And we're seeing already some benefits from having everything on the same system and being able to do transfers and whatnot within the company. I think what is ahead is no longer just talking about sustainability and having one or two nice initiatives to make a lot of PR about. What we see is that it needs to be very concrete, it needs to be quantifiable, and it needs to be grounded in science and grounded in as correct numbers as possible. I think also the fact that Monitor has sustainability high on the agenda is important for us, because one of the reasons why we built this factory and why we took control of a bigger part of the value chain is exactly because we wanted to be able to match that with our ambitions on sustainability, and having suppliers and partners that are putting the same emphasis on sustainability is paramount in the years to come.